Meet Wodemaya, the Ghanaian YouTuber sensation who found his second home in Jamaica. Originally from Ghana, Wodemaya embarked on a journey to explore Africa and share its beauty with the world. But it was in Jamaica where Wodemaya discovered a deep connection and fell in love with the rich culture, vibrant culture, rich history, and warm hospitality. Through his videos, Wodemaya highlights similarities between Jamaica's history and Africa's, emphasizing the motto, out of many, one people. From the rhythmic beats of reggae music to the spicy flavors of Jamaican cuisine, Wodemaya celebrates the shared heritage and unity of the African diaspora. But beyond the surface, Wodemaya's love for Jamaica goes deeper. It's about bridging cultures, fostering understanding, and embracing the idea that we are all one people. So as we celebrate the bond between Ghana and Jamaica, let's remember that our diversity is our strength, and our shared history is a reminder that we are stronger together. Join with Maya on this journey of discovery, unity, and love. Together, let's build a world where borders dissolve and our differences enrich us.